Mr. Ding Galing Galing. All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Janelle's episode. From the outside, Promise. Down on the inside is Aloha. By Darrell is Reyes Gold. And Dragon May is the early trailer. Janelle's episode, followed by Reyes Gold by Darrell. Aloha is racing on the outside. Third, Promise is racing forward by about 2 lengths, and Dragon May is still running at the tail of the field. Janelle's episode by some 2 lengths, followed by Reyes Gold by Darrell. Aloha racing on the outside. Promise is racing in forward from the outside, and Dragon May rounding the far turn. Janelle's episode still by some 2 lengths. Reyes Gold getting closer in second. Aloha, Promise, Dragon May as they race the last 450. Janelle's episode, Reyes Gold is on the outside. Last 200. Janelle's episode, Reyes Gold is on the outside. Promise, but still Janelle's episode, Reyes Gold is on the outside, moves up to grab the lead. It's now Reyes Gold, Janelle's episode, and finally Ai Tansoko on Reyes Gold. Janelle's episode, Promise, Dragon May, and Aloha.
One